Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream quick, easy method. Start by chilling a shallow pan and gathering cream, sugar, salt, and flavorings. I'll walk you through mixing ratios, freezing technique, and simple churn mimics that give creamy results. Expect tips on flavoring, texture tweaks, and how to avoid ice crystals with quick stir intervals. Keep it casual, easy, and adaptable for any flavor you love. In this video, I will show how to make ice cream quick, easy method. Gather ingredients and tools before you start so the process stays smooth and hands-on. I recommend precise measurements for reliable texture, but small tweaks are fine for experimentation. Use a shallow metal pan to speed freezing and keep a sturdy whisk and spatula nearby for continuous stirring. A proper container helps firm up your frozen treat without freezer burn. In this video, I will show how to make ice cream quick, easy method. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for kitchen timers, music, and hands-free recipe help while you churn. It's a small upgrade that keeps your music flowing and your timer set without sticky hands. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make ice cream quick, easy method. Pour the combined mixture into a chilled shallow pan and place in the coldest part of your freezer. Stir vigorously every 5 to 7 minutes to break ice crystals and encourage creaminess. Repeat until the mixture thickens like soft serve. When you see a thick ribbon, scrape into a container and finish firming for about 20 minutes. Serve with toppings and enjoy fresh homemade ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.